Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize today. I have another voiceover, but I promise these won't last much longer. Today I'm going in with this kind of smoky eye cut crease, and I'm starting off with a primer that is actually the Jeffree Star concealer. Then I'm going to start packing a black shadow in the crease with a pretty firm blending brush. And as you can see, I pack it in until I get a ton of pigment. Next, I'm going over with a gray shadow and a very small fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending out the edges. Then I'm going back in with a little bit more of the gray to wing it out at the end. Try and blend the black in a little bit more, and then I will go back in with the black right here to try and blend the lines even more. After I have removed the makeup that I want on my eyelids, I go back in with a really tiny pencil brush to bring the black back to the cut crease, just to add more of the depth back in like I always do. And then I take a blending brush, add a little bit more gray. After cutting the crease, I'm using one of the ColourPop Super Shock pigments, and I'm putting that all over my lid. This entire collection is the ColourPop Smoke Show collection as well, which is still available on ColourPop, and you can use code Caitlin5, I believe, and I'll put that in the description box. Right now I'm taking a Q-tip and makeup remover and sharpening the line on the outside, and taking concealer and trying to fix the foundation that I ruined. Now I'm going in with that really tiny pencil brush, and I'm going to start outlining the cut crease with the black shade, and then bringing it up to meet the blended part. I'm going to take that same black under my lash line and try and kind of keep the two together, and then start blending in the gray beneath that. Then I'm taking a powder concealer and a fluffy blending brush and making sure that everything is blended seamlessly. And then adding a black gel liner to my waterline to make it a little bit more smoky. Next is mascara. This is the Bare Real mascara from Benefit. And then this is the Snowflake highlighter from Anastasia. And this little fan brush is my absolute favorite. I'll put the link in the comments below, or in the description box below. And then this is the Gliterally Obsessed Body Glitter from ColourPop, and it's the shade kind of pink. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but I'll put it in the description box as well. And that is the finished look. I also posted this on my Instagram, so if you want to go check it out and give it a like for me, that'd be awesome. But please give this video a thumbs up, and like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video.